I've no idea what's going on this morning, but good morning. How the devil are you doing? All I can tell you is that at this end, I've got a lightning fast internet connection, and yet my screen keeps freezing. So I've no idea if you're seeing me or not. You should be able to hear me, even if you can't see me, but I'm going to soldier on and do as best I can. Let's roll the intro while we've still got some sort of connection and keep my fingers crossed that you will actually pick up on some of this. Welcome to the Breakfast Show. I'm your host, Mark Anthony. No idea what's going on here. It's Friday, the 12th of November, and as that remarkably persistent guy just said, and I'll need to be persistent today, welcome to the Breakfast Show. I am your host, Mark Anthony. In today's show, Doosan has unveiled a 21-tonne treble. We take you behind the wheel of a Cat 972M XE wheel loader. We go in hot pursuit of a stolen mini excavator, and a Surrey-based company has splashed some coin on a rake of new JCB machines. Plus, we will offer you a unique first look at our new book, A Sight for Sore Eyes, Volume 2. We'll get to all of that in just a second, but let's pause a while to take a look at who among the rich and the shameless will be celebrating a birthday on this day of days. I've honestly no idea if you're getting any of this. It's not you, Nick. Just to let you know, it's not you. There's something at my end. I think I can see my audio signal is absolutely fine, but the picture just keeps on freezing and freezing and freezing. I'm going to carry on as if nothing is going on and do my level best, but I don't know how this one's going to turn out. So, getting back to the birthdays, it's many happy returns to actress and former Princess of Monaco, Grace Kelly, to cult leader and certifiable loon Charles Manson, and to Canadian singer-songwriter Neil Young, to disgraced ice skater Tonya Harding, and to actor Ryan Gosling, but far more importantly, a very happy birthday to former West Ham striker Mr. Carlton Cole. And while we're in celebratory mood, congratulations to the team at McGee, who have been appointed for demolition piling and RC works at the landmark office building in the heart of London's Covent Garden, known as the Acre. That's the Acre right there. McGee was actually appointed early in the design process for pile testing, soft strip and enabling work. As a result of this early engagement and active collaboration with the client team, the company has now won the valuable and key demolition package on the project. So congratulations to them. I'm going to roll the news and hope that this one works. Literally no idea what's going on with this today. I can only assume it must be something with the software because, as I say, my internet connection is certainly plenty fast enough to be carrying this. So show me three different excavator users, and I will show you three people that each want a machine that is unique to them and to their chosen sector or application, which is precisely why those fine folks at Doosan have unveiled not one, not two, but three versions of its new 21-tonne operating weight class excavator. The new DX210-7, DX210NLC-7, and DX210LC-7 models offer a choice of short, long and narrow, or long and wide track configurations, respectively. The new DX210-7 short track model is ideal for use on soft ground surfaces where low ground pressure is required, and is a compact unit offering advantages for working in confined spaces and for transportation. The DX210NLC-7 narrow track excavator is aimed at countries such as Italy, where either regulations or customer preference calls for the narrow track configuration, providing Doosan with another high-performing option to offer customers in the 20-tonne sector. Perfect for rental companies, the new DX210LC-7 machine has a similar long track setup to Doosan's heavier DX235LC. All three new That's the wrong one. All 3 new 21-ton models are powered by the latest generation Doosan DL06V 6-cylinder diesel engine, providing 124 kilowatts of power at 1800 RPM. The new machines are backed by the Doosan telematics system. In the cab, operator benefits include a Doosan Smart 8-inch touchscreen, DAB audio featuring hands-free and Bluetooth, Doosan Smart Key for keyless start and remote door unlocking, leatherette heated seat with heating and cooling as an option, and 8 LED work lights as standard with a further 4 available as an option. Other options include an all-round view monitor with 360-degree cameras and ultrasonic obstacle detection for enhanced safety. As Doosan as soon as Doosan release a new video on these new machines, we'll be sure to bring it to you just as soon as we possibly can.
The Miller GT series heralds a new era of unrivaled power and cutting-edge intelligent coupler technology, increasing job site safety, machine versatility, and productivity. It's the added versatility that you need at the value you can afford. To find out more, visit millergroundbreaking.com.
I'd be intrigued to know if anyone is actually seeing any of the video inserts that we're putting up, because the next one's about 3 minutes long, and if you're not seeing it, just drop me a message in the chat, because there is clearly some sort of technical difficulty. But I'll press on. But if anyone's got a comment that says they can't see it or it's not playing, it's frozen, I may just have to call this one a lost cause, I think. So, what can you see when you look out of your window? Personally, I can see my wife's car, a hedge that could probably use a trim, and the house of the sketchy bloke that lives opposite. But imagine if your office was a Cat 972M XE wheel loader. And imagine if this was your view from your window. Right, I've no idea if that video had actually ended or not. I'm literally working completely blind here. I'm going to try the next advert, and hopefully things will start to ease. But I'm not holding out much hope. But I'll soldier on. Wow, this is the first one we've struggled with in about a year, I think. No idea what's going on. My Amazon delivery driver arrives here with such frequency that we're now on first name terms. But yesterday's delivery was just a little bit special because he was carrying this. And I'm going to wait until my camera picks up so that you can see it. There you go. Now, that book really is a one-off because that was the draft copy that highlighted one or two minor print issues. Those are now being fixed, so the real book should be available for sale early next week. However, that does make that copy absolutely 100% unique, which means it's probably valuable, right? No? Just a thought. I've said this before, but it's worth reiterating. All of those that have signed up to our members only platform will receive a free hardback edition of the book. As you can see, if you can probably see, that one is a paperback. Hardback edition will be signed, which will probably devalue them greatly. But as soon as those arrive here, our patrons over on patreon.com will get a copy. I'll be delighted to send them over. Yeah, I have no idea what's going on there, Ken, but thanks for letting me know. I will soldier on with the show. You'll be able to hear me. I will keep pressing the buttons. Not entirely sure how that's going to play out when we come to doing the chat, but we will see anyway. Now, one of the great benefits, I was just mentioning our members only platform, but one of the great benefits of actually having a members only platform is that we have gained some additional eyes and ears to help us keep abreast of what's going on out there in the real world, where I very rarely venture. So yesterday, our friend and show regular Gary Muirhead suggested that I take a look at the activities of Automatrix, a company that specializes in the tracking and recovery of stolen vehicles and equipment. With plant theft still a massive issue in the industry, I'm so glad that Gary brought this to my attention. Now, I realise that all our viewers are fine, upstanding pillars of the community, but if there are any plant thieves out there that have stumbled across this show and are watching now, this one is for you.
Automatrix M-Track theft recovery operation. It's Monday the 3rd of June. So we took a call this morning from a plant hire company telling us they'd had one of their excavators stolen. It's a Takuchi TB23R. It's a 2.7 tonne machine stolen from Leicester area. Now we've got the unit in alarm and it's reporting a cell site about 12 miles from where it was stolen from. Now looking at the tracking data, we can see it was stolen between 9 and 10 o'clock last night. That's Sunday the 2nd of June, and it has remained stationary since around about midnight at this location near Enderbury, which is quite close to the M1 M69 junction. Nothing's moved, so that's good. All the signals are still good, so that's good. So I think we're on for a result. The cell actually is about 4 miles across, so it's quite a large cell, but not too big. And it's at the junction of the M1 M69 area, so we've done a few bits of intel in terms of industrial yards or possible search locations, and I've got that postcode now pumped in, so we'll go to that location and hopefully we'll pick up the signal straight away. That would be great. This is where the postcode ends. That's it, we're picking up the signal. Can hear it coming in. There's quite a few lorries parked up here. Oh, that's quite a big signal where that lorry is there. I'm gonna have to park up and check with a handheld receiver, I think. Right, so this digger's down through that metal fence there. There's a path and then it goes down into the woods, so I'm just going to go and check that out. We come through here. There's the machine there. Oh yeah, well and truly in the woods.
Thanks for letting me know that, Nick. If you're a plant thief, Big Brother isn't just watching. Big Brother is mobile. He's armed to the teeth with tech, and he's coming for you. So watch your step, people. Demolition contractors of the South, lend me your ears. The Uxbridge Industrial Estate is getting a new industrial unit, and 1.5 million of your finest English quids have been set aside to bring the project to fruition. But before that can happen, the buildings that currently reside on the site at Barton Buildings need to be demolished, and at the time of broadcast, a suitable demolition contractor has yet to be appointed. You can find out more about this project lead and many more just like it over at buildersconference.co.uk.
Axoft and Svantec are your high-end partners for noise, vibration, dust and air quality systems, sensors and software. To find out more, visit axoft.co.uk or call 01234 639 55.
Wow, this is like broadcasting with one hand tied behind your back, but it is time to see who's investing. A leading southeast groundworks company has invested in a fleet of new JCB excavators and site dumpers in a deal worth £2 million. Surrey-based Coinford has ordered 40 machines, including two 220X and 140X tracked excavators, along with a range of JCB site dumpers. It's also added further JCB load-all telescopic handlers to its existing fleet. Coinford director Lee Belton said JCB has made big advances with its X-Series excavators and evolving range of site dumpers. Industry feedback on the latest JCB developments has been extremely positive, and Coinford believes that these additions to our fleet will bring great reliability and plant utilisation. The latest Stage 5 low-emission fuel-efficient engines allow us to offer environmentally friendly and legislation-compliant solutions to our clients. The high level of safety features ensures our staff and co-workers carry out their duties in a safe and secure environment. So congratulations to Coinford on their purchase, and to local dealer Greenshields JCB on securing that deal.
Sorry to interrupt the guy with the funny glasses, but if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button as it helps our channel. Or better still, share this video with a friend or a colleague. Thank you. Right. Back to Beardy.
Right, thankfully that pretty much wraps up the show today, and it pretty much wraps up the week as well. I won't be here tomorrow. I should probably be throwing my computer in the bin, actually. But fear not, you will still get a fix of my happy smiling face as our Omnibus edition, the weekend wrap, drops sometime shortly after dawn tomorrow morning. And of course, I'll be back here on Monday morning for yet more of this old stuff and nonsense. I'm going to roll the outro in just a second before leaping gazelle-like over into the chat to see what you're all saying today. As it's Friday, I'm not going to be dashing off. Even though my face will be frozen, I'm still going to be here to have a chat if anyone fancies that. Until all of that, stay safe, look after yourself, your family, your friends, and your colleagues. Thanks for watching. Thanks for taking part. Thanks for bearing with me with the technical difficulty we've been having this morning. And I'll see you in the chat in just a second.